Did you know you can turn that old smartphone sitting in your drawer into a powerful security camera? No need to buy a whole new security system or spend hundreds of dollars. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform any smartphone into a security camera that you can monitor from anywhere. Trust me, this hack will save you money and keep your home safe. And if you're into clever tech hacks that save you cash, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. We post tips like this every week, so join our tech family. Alright, step 1, choose your phone. Most smartphones from the last few years will work just fine for this, as long as they have a decent camera and can connect to Wi-Fi. Next, think about where you need extra security: your front door, garage, or maybe your backyard. Find a stable place to mount your phone, like a shelf or an old tripod. If it's near an outlet, even better, you can keep it charged and recording 24/7. Now, here's where the magic happens. To turn your phone into a security camera, you'll need a security app. Apps like Alfred, ManyThing, and Presence are fantastic for this. They let you stream live video, receive alerts when motion is detected, and even communicate through two-way audio. Just download one of these apps on your old phone as the camera, and on your current phone as the viewer. It's that easy. Once the app is set up, make sure to enable motion detection. This feature is key because you'll get an alert anytime it senses movement. Imagine how helpful this could be. You're out of town, but you'll still get a notification if someone comes near your front door. You can even customize the sensitivity so you're not getting alerts every time a cat walks by. With this feature, your DIY security camera is now truly keeping an eye on things. Some apps even allow you to talk to whoever's near the camera using two-way audio. Imagine being able to tell the delivery person to leave the package at the door, or even shout at someone trying to mess with your property. And if your old phone has night vision capabilities, that's a huge plus. Many apps enhance low-light video, so you'll have security coverage day or night. Some apps even let you add cloud storage. This way, any footage that's captured goes straight to the cloud, so you can access it anytime, even if something happens to the phone itself. Most of these apps offer affordable cloud storage plans, and it's totally optional. If you don't want cloud storage, you can still save footage directly to the phone. For those planning to use this setup long-term, keep your phone plugged in, ideally near an outlet, to avoid running out of battery. And if you have a spare power bank, that can add hours to the battery life. Also, make sure your phone has a strong Wi-Fi connection so you can view live footage without interruptions. Once everything's set up, do a quick test. Walk in front of the camera and see if you get an alert. Check the video quality, test the two-way audio, and make any adjustments to your phone's angle or settings. You're ready to go. You now have a fully functional security camera, all from a device you already had. And there you have it, an affordable, simple way to get home security using just an old phone. Who knew that tech collecting dust could protect your home? Let us know in the comments if you'll be trying this out or if you have any other tech hacks you want to see. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe to our Make First Move to stay up to date on more tips to save you money and boost your tech game.